Okay. Tyler, we get full auto, right?
Wait, who's all going in?
Me, Tyler, I don't know who else.
Who's going in the top, right?
I'm not, because you're going to throw a grenade in it. Oh, you're basically asking who wants to get blown up.
Yeah, even if it takes like 20 seconds, 2 people won't have time to get down the ladder, and even if they do, they'll get
Well, what about if I throw it back? Or kick it out?
I hope it blows up.
How about I just kick it?
Well, then you go down the ladder and kill the people below it. Yeah, exactly.
Well, what if I kick it far? Tyler, are you going in the tower?
No.
Wait, who's with us?
When you guys capture the Alamo, you have to like
Wait.
until we actually get back.
Wait, Tyler, who's on our team?
I don't know. I know it's us three.
Oh, Will's it? What?
Yeah.
But Will's a pistol.
Yeah,
I know.
and I get a lot of kills with it.
Do you have a lot of ammo?
This thing got strikes on.
It's like 15 bullets in it, right?
No, I have 18 in it right now.
What about an extra mag?
Extra mag, it's broken.
Okay, well, he has 18 rounds.
And I have a speed loader.
Well, how fast can you reload it?
I can load it in like 30 seconds.
Well, then me and Tyler are going to be having to hold it quite a bit. Oh, hey, can we like set this up again?
Yeah. Can we just do that? My match.
Keep going. This thing is...
Ugh. Yeah, well, we need to pick that one up too.
Alright, guys. Boom.
Here, lift that one up. Okay, wait. No, have it angled this way. Like that? Okay, hold it there. Just hold it there, Will.
There are things, we can just lean it back.
Well, hold it there.
Done.
Oh yeah, we can.
Good thing this...
And how do we keep this one up then, Will?
There are 2. Somebody pow.
Well, it's not going to work on that side. Okay. I lied.
Lying ain't no good, son.
That's Will. Hold on. Let me do this one.
it.
Let me do this one.
Like that lean meat, it's not fall. It's a lean angle,
There.
boy.
No, they have a little bit of a way in, but they're going to need to squeeze through that.
We can just use this.
Will.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, we need some defense over there. Okay. Boom. Yo. Big shot. There you go, Ben.
What? Is this one nailed?
And that's a
What can we do here? Can we get some from over here?
Over there.
Can we get like that one?
yeah, no, we can throw it in.
Okay.
Right there. Oh, look out.
Okay.
Cool. I said, don't lean on it. Ben.
Hey, do you want me to move this?
lean it against this. Here, hold on.
This could probably go on the other side of it.
Well,
Oh, okay, yeah.
that.
Oh, that one's gonna fall now.
Oh, it's not gonna be good.
Well, that's all you get right here. Then you need one over here.
Yeah.
Last 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
We might need another one angled. Well, that's good. It's good.
Yeah.
Alright guys, those guys have guns. The number one thing to do is don't let the things that come out of there hit you.
Got it. Ah.
And the one that rushes on top of it.
Oh boy. You gotta.
Got a pistol, yeah.
Yeah. It's all,
I feel like
it's
Will.
hard with a pistol.
I feel like Will should switch with someone on their team.
No.
Will, are you going? Are you really going up
Hey.
there?
Here's your respawn right here.
Can we just reach over and touch it?
Reach over, touch it, respawn. It could be tough. They'll be attacking you. So hey, if you can't get to the respawn, just run back to back there and then respawn back there and hit.
Yeah, run through there.
Okay, you're right. You right?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, run through here. If you can't respawn, I don't know if you want to be up there. No, if you can't respawn,
Will.
get back to
Yeah, be up there with a pistol.
You guys ready?
Sniper. Oh, where should I go?
Alright,
I don't. Tyler, you want to get up there?
be there for a while, I'm guessing.
Hey, you Will get the front lines.
Okay, Ben, you just stay back there.
Yeah, I'll stay back here and.
Right. I'm gonna.
Yeah, me and you will be back here.
Alright, sounds
Will, watch our left. Will, you'll just be the scout call out man.
Tingle scraw.
There's no gun.
Yeah.
Alright.
No, not out. Right by Brian. Right by,
Oh, we have to stay there.
right by Will.
Yeah, go by Will.
And then I'll call support. Just say, hey, they're going left. They're going left.
Yeah.
5 seconds!
Alright, here we go, guys. Tyler, don't stand up. Ah! Bunker 3! Levi's in the tree line! He's down!
Shoot in front of the bunker. Bunker 3.
Bunker 3!
Brennan, two.
One's down! Both of them are down!
In the grab! In the grab! In the grab!
Where from the... Oh, I see him.
Bunker 3!
Hey, they're pushing from 3!
In the grab! In the grab!
Will, keep an eye on the grass. Hey, watch Mason! Get Mason! Get Mason! Get Mason! Mason's down! Hey, Griffin, 2 people left! Respawn, respawn. Hey, get the guy in the grass. Tyler, get the guy in the grass. Reloading. Just keep an eye on the grass, Tyler. Keep an eye on the guy in the grass.
In the grab! Tyler!
I know. dude. Watch the left side. Mason's down. Get Luke, get Luke. Wait for them to push left. Watch left.
In the wood. In the wood.
Is he down, Tyler?
That's all it's off.
It's good, it's good.
Hit.
Oh. Watch our left, watch our left.
Left?
Yes. At the pallet on the left.
Yep, I see him. Is that loose?
Yeah.
That's loose. Okay.
I'm hit.
Stand up and cover fire.
Yeah, I need to peg in and get down.